respected principalman, worthy teachers, and all my dear friends. I shall be present you a story on the reality of the world, the good and evil of the world. The world is a complex web of contradiction, full of possibilities. There is both good and evil of the world. On one hand, there is beauty and kindness. On the other, there is evil and cruelty. Joy is made by money, and respect is made by authority. I present you a fable from ancient Greek about a boy named Euryale, whose parents died when he was 4 years old. He was homeless with no other family. One day he was wandering in the night market when he found a cart full of candies. He pursued the cart and asked the vendor for one candy. The vendor refused to give him the candy as he was just a beggar with no money. However, the vendor promised to give him the candy if he go and steal the wallet from the noble passing by. Stealing was no new thing for Euryale, so he ran away and came back with the stolen wallet. The vendor refused to give him the candy after getting the wallet and kicked him on the road. Then he rolled the cart over the hand of the little boy. All the bones in the left hand of the little boy were crushed by the wheels of cart. After this incident, the little boy grew up into a cruel and evil soul. He was thirsty for the blood and cries of the people. He massacred the whole family of the vendor who refused to give him the candy. As he grew up, one day a group of 80 to 90 people gathered together to kill Euryale. When they gathered after a long fight, Euryale was on the brink of death. He lay down on the remote roadside. As he leaned upon a milestone laying on the road, after some time, with his half-closed eyes, he saw a man in white robes pursuing him, slowly walking towards him. He was a charming and elegant man, wearing white robes, with a basket full of herbs in his left hand. As he came to Euryale, he knelt in front of him. The man had a broad white band on eyes. He was covering his eyes. It seemed like the man was cursed with blindness. He knelt and started treating the wounds on Euryale's body. After some time, Euryale closed his eyes and slipped into faintness. As he closed his eyes, his mind was filled with self-guilt, but his heart had a pinch of light glowing in it. He felt like his whole life, which was filled with darkness, had a pinch of light which was glowing in his mind. After this, Euryale vanished from the world like he never existed. He was never found ever again. Some said that he killed himself, while others said that he secluded himself. The man in white robes was like the moon in the night sky and the swan in the dark waters, while Euryale was the night sky in which the moon lit and the dark waters which was moved by the movement of the swan. We know that in this world full of possibilities, both good and evil, but it is the choice of an individual to choose the evil and cruel path or choose the way of kindness and beauty. In the end, it's our choice. Euryale chose the path of cruelty because the situation led him to it, and the man in white robes pursued the way of righteousness because he believed in humanity. Thank you for listening to the story that I birthed from my thoughts. Thank you and have a nice day.